Swarakranti and the Director General Ashutosh, they will guide all our guests. Abhishek ji. एक बार तालियों के साथ on the eve of 40 years of your Biradari completing its 40 years. Ashutosh will felicitate the founder of your Biradari, Shri Kranti Shah, and Padma Shri recipient. Swara will felicitate our special guest today, the Chairman of Human Rights Commission, Mr. S.R. Banur. We are all proud of you, Delhi, Maharashtra, and the country. Kumar Kelkar, and now, friends, the
esteemed guests on the dais, Kranti Bhai, Swar, and my biradars. नमस्कार, आप सबका स्वागत है। सांस मेरी थोड़ी बहुत चढ़ गई है, इतना अच्छा आप लोगों ने मुझे। वो कहाँ गए वो? आप मुझे बाद में मिलिए। You've heard Swar speak very eloquently about the history of our Biradari, our present. I would now like to just touch on very briefly the plans Swar and Ashutosh have set forward for the Biradari. Before I just explain to everybody what all we have in store for you, I just want to tell you a small anecdote. From when I was born and grew up in a house of creativity, our dream was always to perform, to do something and to make a difference. I remember at a very young age seeing Kranti Bhai spend a lot of time with my parents. When I was very small, I used to keep running around. And I remember he taught me that by just performing, being an actor, you can also help change. And I think we've seen an exhibition of how performing arts can help make a difference, make a change today, in all the wonderful recitals. So, Kranti Bhai, actually, I've never told you this, but you have been a very large influence in my creative life, where you taught that it's not only important just to be an entertainer, but in your very little way, in whatever capacity, to try and make a difference. And I stand here today in front of all of you all as a blessing from Kranti Bhai, and with great direction and inspiration from you. So thank you very much, Kranti Bhai, for being such a beacon of hope and guidance to, I think, each and everyone that is seated in the audience today, and including people on the dais. Feel free to clap, he deserves it. Yuvak Biradari commemorates its 40th year with not a celebration of its past contributions, but instead commemorates it with renewed commitment for the future. Today, on 8th of August 2014, Biradari organizes a convention on Jal, Urja Vayu, Sarakshan, protect and conserve water, energy and air, which we very wonderfully and beautifully, as Swar told me, covered in just one song. Today, Biradari also declares its new action plan with regards to its Vasundhara Bachao Abhiyan and human values initiatives. For the coming 3 years, from 9th of August 2014 to 9th of August 2017, the program outline revolves largely around youth and addresses 3 levels. 1, awareness. 2, tangible constructive action. And 3, long-term assimilation. Under the backdrop of the criticality of the global warming situation, Yuvak Biradari and its affiliated units will adopt the following Vasundhara Bachao and Human Values Voluntary Action Program. This is over and above the other projects that the organization already regularly carries out. This is a project which is very close to my heart. It's something Swar and I discuss a lot. We have been gifted this planet by our ancestors. It is our duty to gift it to our coming generations. I've always felt we talk a lot about many important issues. This is one issue, the environment, environmental safety, that we need to spend a lot of time and attention. And Yuvak Biradari has been at the forefront of this battle. And I really think we need to support it, rally behind it, and do whatever possible to make a change. So, moving on. Biradari defines Smrutivan as a green spot with a concentration of minimum 40 trees. I'm sure, I'm sure a lot of you all have been involved in this. I will just enumerate it for some of the members who don't know about it. These are plantations done and maintained on a private or public land with necessary permissions and involvement of the owners. In case of privately held land, then one way of creating this is by dedicating the green belt in the memory of a deceased loved one or the owner's family, and hence the name Smrutivan. Since Biradari has completed 40 years, the aim is to create 400 Smrutivans in the tune of minimum 16,000 trees in India in the coming 3 years. And as encouragement, every year, cash prizes totaling a minimum of ₹1 lakh will be given out to the best groups. I just want to reiterate here that 16,000 seems like a very large number. But if each and everyone commits to planting just 1 tree a year, we can make a huge impact in this organization. It's 1 tree per year per person. We're looking at 16,000. That will be easily achievable. Number 2, the mock youth parliament. Every year between 9th of September to 24th of December, mock youth parliaments will be held in different locations. A minimum of 25 mock parliaments will be held in 3 years. The components of every mock parliament session will have a question hour, adjournment motion, and the youth will introduce a new bill called Vasundhara Bachao Bill and will debate its aspects. This intervention will enhance knowledge of sustainability matters and other current affairs of the country. This experience of the mock youth parliament will develop skills like elocution, debate, communication, presence of mind, foresight, instill democratic values, and will raise awareness of parliamentary system and subject knowledge. Teams will compete for a total of ₹1 lakh, and they will be awarded that through cash prize after evaluating the video footage sent by teams. This is another wonderful new movement that we must support. If you notice, हमारे यहाँ कुछ मीडिया के भी दोस्त हैं. We always love to question. We love to point a finger. What is the government doing? Why aren't they doing this? Why aren't they doing that? And this is my personal private view, the American President John F. Kennedy in a speech once said, "Ask not what your country can do for you, ask what you can do for your country." I think this is something which I believe very deeply. जब देखें आप, हम पूछते रहते कि ये पानी आज नहीं आया, ये नहीं हुआ, वो नहीं हुआ, ये क्यों हो रहा है? हम क्या कर रहे हैं? What are we doing to contribute to solve the problem? If every Indian starts with this attitude that we will make the difference,